This is our 5 days bike trip to Sikkim after a long days. We as a couple are really excited to explore this beautiful state and its lush green landscapes, to feel the cool breeze of the snow-capped mountains and the curves of the Himalayas, and most importantly, the power of Royal Enfield Himalayan in an area where it belongs to. This is the day 1 and we're out to explore the capital city Gangtok before heading towards North Sikkim on the next day. Please stay tuned till the end and we'll give you a detailed tour of the local viewpoints. Let's enjoy the intro first.
The same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing?
Here are few places on your screen which you can cover during your local sightseeing. All these places are within 10 to 12 kilometers from the main Gangtok city. You also can enjoy ropeway service which will give you a beautiful aerial view of the entire Gangtok city. We started our day very late, so we couldn't cover all the places, but you can plan your day accordingly so that you can cover all these places before 5 o'clock and you can enjoy some good time in the MG Marg, because in MG Marg all the shops starts to close around 8 o'clock. Now we are at Banjakri waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall just around 10 kilometers from the Gangtok city. The entry fee to this place is just 10 rupees, and also you can enjoy some fun-filled adventurous activities which may charge you extra.
In Sikkim, you are going to see lots of waterfalls around, so don't just stop here. Spend some time enjoying the bubbling of waterfall and the greenery of the place, and then move on to the next destination. Near to MG Marg, there is a football stadium named as Paljor Stadium, and the view from here is just marvelous. Just to remind you people, Sikkim has produced some of the finest football players like the Arjun Award winner Baichung Bhutia. So now we are in Ganesh Stop, where the Lord Ganesha is being worshipped. Among many splendid Buddhist monasteries of Gangtok stands one of the many well-maintained temples of Sikkim, the Ganesh Tok. It is around 7 km away from MG Marg. The literal meaning of the word Tok means temple in local language, so it translates as the Ganesh temple. As this place is located at an elevated location from the town, you can get a panoramic view of the snow-dusted Kanchenjunga hills and the Gangtok city. Hanuman Tok, a temple dedicated to the Lord Hanuman, is also located near to Ganesh Tok, which makes this a must-visit place for the devotees. So here we reached in our next destination, that is Dasi Viewpoint. This charming viewpoint is a perfect place to witness the brilliant surroundings like mountains, valleys and of course Gangtok itself. It's located at a distance around 10 km from the town and is mostly known for offering some of the best sunrise and sunset views. There is no entry fees to this place and a minimum cost of 10 rupees will be charged if you wish to use binocular or telescope to get closer view of the surroundings of Sikkim's capital.
And finally, we reached at the main market area of Gangtok named as MG Marg. Here all the shops are opened from 8 am to 8 pm. This road and the market is really well maintained and nicely decorated. This place really looks magical at night. At one end of the MG Marg, there is Sikkim Tourist Information Center just below the huge Indian national flag. And as you go further down and turn right towards Tibet Road, there is a taxi stand where you can get taxis for sightseeing. Just next to the Sikkim Traffic Office, you can find a free little library where you can spend some time reading books. Just in front of the MG Road parking, there is a beautiful temple whose architecture and design is so eye-pleasing. You can do some shopping and try out varieties of foods from the MG Road. So that is all from the day 1. Tomorrow we'll be traveling to Baba Mandir, Changul Lake and Nathula Pass. So we'll keep you posted. Please stay tuned for the next video. So spread positivity, spread happiness and take care. Bye bye.